Welcome to the MiniBaby Sculpt Boxes. These little baby dolls are so adorable and they're very posable, so I hope you're really going to enjoy them. We've got the full instructions on all of the body for this doll, including this smiley face, and then segments of doing this girl's face and hair as well. And there's bonus material on the SculptBoxes online version, so be sure to check that out too. And if you didn't get signed up for that yet, just contact me or my assistant and we'll get you signed up for that right away. Anyway, this is what they end up looking like. They're so freaking adorable. So let's take a peek and see what's inside. All of our boxes come together in a kit like this with almost everything you need. You'll need basic supplies on hand, like maybe a needle and some glue, liquid Sculpey, those type of things are always great to have. But what you have inside is your pattern. This will go through and show you how she's been created, and I've done a very detailed pattern for you to follow along by, so I think it's going to be awesome as you are sculpting. I'll make it very easy for you. Then inside we have all sorts of items. We've got the DVDs. There'll be 2 DVDs for this kit. You've got your chunk of clay, and this will make almost 2 dolls, really. You can see how far you can stretch it. I think you might even be able to get 2 out. Certainly plenty for 1. We've got some hair that comes with it, your choice of color. We also have some handmade eyes that will be in here too, also your choice of color. And then just some of the items that we need for the whole process of sculpting this particular doll. Some elements, glitter, and some things to weigh the baby and keep her nice and soft and fluffy, and then also some material for a basic costume as well. So that's what we have inside for you. It'll be lots of fun to make these sweet little baby dolls, so I hope you enjoy your kit. Hope you enjoy making these little sweeties, and have a great time sculpting.